Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through on how you can create a zip file folder. So in case you want to create a zip file folder, what you're supposed to do, just get into your file explorer and then come to where we have Rocodisk C. Then come to where we have new. Just come to where you have folder. You can rename your folder as documents, and then you can take it into the desktop by just dragging and dropping. Just drag and drop, so it is here. So what you need to do, just upload all the documents which you want to create a zip file for. So I have all these documents which have been requested to send them as a zip folder. What you need to do is open them, just highlight all of them. You can just hit Control A and highlight all of them. Just click above one document and then choose to set the document set to, then say complex zip folder. So you see that degree certificate PDF. So when you open this one, you should know notice that it contains all the files at once. Let me show you. So we can now rename this one as zip folder document. To represent doc, I can input as something like that. So this folder contain all these documents, which is my curriculum vitae, my certificate, and my ID and reference and recommendation letter in one platform. When I click it, it contains all these documents. So this is how you usually create zip folders using a personal computer. So in case you get this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to give the video a thumb up. In case you have any query, you can contact me using the comment section or the